So in this tutorial series we are discussing about advanced PHP, and we have already discussed about some basic things of advanced PHP, what is class, object and inheritance concept and method overriding, and lots of things which we have already discussed in our previous video. And today we're going to discuss about abstract class and abstract method. So before learning abstract class, we need to know what is abstract class, why and how we'll use this. Abstract class or methods are such things where there will have only named methods. Means we just create that method but no implementation. So let's take an example. Suppose I am creating a class that is vehicle. Okay, and if you want to declare this class as an abstract class, we need to use the abstract keyword before the class. So basically abstract keyword is used to make any class as an abstract class. And one of the important thing is abstract class have at least one abstract method. So here I am creating a abstract method. Suppose I am creating public function details. Okay, and I want to make this method as abstract. So just write abstract before the plus. Sorry, spelling mistake. So here you can see we have created a function, that is the function, the method name is details, but we ended this method here, so just write here semicolon. So here you can see in the vehicle class we have function that is details. As it is an abstract class, we don't need to write any implementation of this function, so just write these things as it is. Okay, so let's create another class and extend this class. So suppose I am creating another class that is car. Okay, and I want to extend this, that is extends keyword, and name of the class that is vehicle. So to extend any class we need to write this extends keyword. Okay, and here I will declare the same function again, but this time it will not be abstract. So write public function details, and here just write some statement that is car has 4 wheels. Okay, and if we create a object of this car, we can see the output from details. So just create a object that is obj and use the new keyword to create any object, and write a car, that is the child class name, and call the details function with the newly created object that is obj. Okay, and write the method name, that is details. Okay, so if you go to the browser and refresh this, we can see car has 4 wheels. So why we will use the abstract class? Basically abstract class provide set a common structure. Suppose I want to create any CRUD application. So inside the CRUD application we need to add some data, we need to update their data, and we need to create a listing, and we need to delete that data. So these 4 things we need to create any CRUD. So if we create any CRUD, that time we can define the abstract function as add, edit, delete and update, so that whenever we will create any class and we will do the same operation, we will just use this function. And inside the abstract class we can use this class as a normal class also. So if we create any properties, suppose I am creating a properties that is public, suppose I am creating a property wheel. Okay, and if we want to create a function that is constructor, I want to create a constructor function. So write public function, and to create a constructor function we need to create double underscore and write construct. Okay, and here I want to take the value of wheel, so just write $wheel here, and I am setting this wheel. So basically write $this wheel equal to $wheel, so which we are creating from the constructor, and just pass this wheel value when you create any object. we know we don't need to call constructor function individually. Basically, when you create any object, it will call. So I am passing the value of wheel is 4, as it is setting the wheel variable inside the constructor function, and we are using this vehicle, that is the parent class, from the child class car. So we can get access of this property, that is this wheel. So I am just going to create a dynamic value of wheels. So just write $this wheel. So basically this is the wheel, and concatenate this wheel value using the dot operator. So right here in this way, and if we go to the browser and refresh this page, we can get the same output. Basically we are passing the 4 here. Okay, so if we just create another class, and suppose I am creating another class, that is bus. Okay, so right here bus, and I'm extending same things, that is the vehicle class, and here I will use the same function, that is the details function. So just copy from previous and paste it here, and write bus has these wheels. So just create another object for second class. So right here and just write the bus, and the new object name is object2. Okay, and here I am adding a beer tag so that we can see that value in the new line, and I am passing the wheel count of bus is 6. Okay, so we are calling this details function from the car class and from the bus class, but the details function is the abstract class of the parent class. So just go to the browser and we can see the car has 4 wheels and bus has 6 wheels. Okay, so it is dynamic, but this value is setting from the parent class. So basically this is the reason why we are using the abstract class or abstract method. So this is the very small and tricky concept of advanced PHP. So if you have any queries about this video, please comment in a below comment section. Next day we're going to discuss about another important topics of object-oriented programming language. So we will discuss about interface. Okay, so please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.